From concept to cut, Hyperion customized insert blanks are designed to help toolmakers reduce processing costs while creating consistent, quality inserts. Used by toolmakers as a basis for indexable inserts specialized for high-precision machining in aerospace, automotive, oil and gas, and other demanding industries. Each insert blank is engineered to be as close to the final design as possible, significantly reducing the time and effort required for final cutting, grinding, or shaping. This ensures smooth integration into a toolmaker's process, maximizing overall efficiency. With a rigorous quality control program, each blank is identical, so toolmakers can count on consistent results to maintain the integrity of their brand. Hyperion offers a wide range of custom geometries, from simple forms to highly complex profiles, allowing for greater design flexibility and faster tool development. Hyperion's carbide and Sur-Met insert blanks deliver strength, wear resistance, and edge retention, extending tool life and ensuring reliable coating performance. With full control from powder to final blank, Hyperion ensures consistent quality, piece to piece, and lot to lot, reducing rework, rejections, and inspections. Reliable supply lowers inventory and operating costs. As a non-competitive partner, Hyperion's new product development team works with customers to create new insert blanks that support toolmaker growth with advanced materials and application expertise. Learn more today or request a consultation by visiting hyperionmt.com/insertblanks.